It was this point of mystery, and in gets invoked God. This, over time, has been described by philosophers as the God of the gaps. If that's where you're going to put your God in this world, then God is an ever-receding pocket of scientific ignorance. If that's how you're going to invoke God, if God is the mystery of the universe, these mysteries, we're tackling these mysteries one by one. If you're going to stay religious at the end of the conversation, God has to be more to you than just where science has yet to tread.
Some have erroneously thought God was necessary only when life and existence have no other explanation. Unbelieving scientists seize on this concept to point out that the gaps are narrowing. Give us enough time, they say, and humans will be able to explain how everything in the universe works. This point of view cannot fit into the description. The God who made this world is not only creator, but also sustainer.
He is before all things, and in him all things hold together.
The universe would fall apart without his sustaining power. Should science determine how the universe is sustained or discover the mechanism that keeps it going, this is not the same as being able to sustain it. For instance, we understand some things about the function of light, but who of us is capable of generating its incredible speed of travel? Suppose God took his sustaining power from the universe entirely. Let's give that a thought. A commonly asked question is whether God could have made the world and used the process of evolution to do it. Philip Johnson counters, however, by noting that this would mean God made the laws, set up the physical structures, and then retired. This view is called deism. One necessary question would be, what is meant by evolution? By its common definition, evolution is mindless, unguided, purposeless, and solely material. God would have no place in this process. Nor does the biblical account of a personal God fit this image. Theism, on the other hand, sees God as both creator and actively involved in the world and the people he made. He is invisible, but nonetheless real and involved with this world. Advances made recently in the fields of genetic engineering, microbiology, astrophysics, and so on are evoking undreamed-of possibilities and possibly new questions for science. Three basic thoughts merit our attention. Life consists of not only matter, chemicals, but also information. Where or from whom did the information originate? Complex, specified information comes from an intelligent mind. The advances in science give credence to the fact that life did not come by blind chance, but by an intelligent mind, the result of superior knowledge. Recent discoveries would argue for theism rather than blind chance. And of course, where did the original elements of life come from? Could they have merely evolved? Now called the soup theory, this view asserts that life began in a primordial sauce of chemicals, but the theory is now being questioned. The most logical explanation is that God created those elements.